Tired of being out in the elements to control your plug outlets? Try a smart timer. Smart timers are controlled by free apps that allow for a range of features. You can control them directly or set a range of programs. Depending on which company you are with, some timers will allow you to program based on what the local weather network says will be the sunrise or sunset, or even what the weather forecast will be. A downside is the technologies may not work right if there is an interruption in your Wi-Fi, but often they can be used on data as needed. A neutral point is that there is minimal hardware for you to deal with. That means much less to break down. But also, when it does break down, the device is usually unfixable. This device simply has an on and off button. On the bottom are two female ends. While they have no difference when you are using it manually, the AP will allow for programming the two ports separately. Apps are created to be user-friendly, allowing you to control different smart devices at the same time. Leave a comment if you want me to redo the tutorial on downloading and installing these devices. With apps, you can control each of the plugs with different programming. This means that you can turn one plug on and off or the other. Using the two in combination is also an option. You can also set a schedule for each plug. You can add any combination of schedules for any day of the week. Example, turning it on at PM, off at midnight, on at AM, off at AM. The name of each plug can also be customized. Finally, there is a random option to set it on a timer. Here I will set it on a 1-minute timer, but will speed the video's time up to save people skipping the end of the video.